Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right silk thread and needle so stitches sit smooth against fabric. Choose a short 18-24-inch length to prevent knots, then condition the strand with a thin pass of beeswax. This reduces fuzz and helps glide. Once done, separate plies only if you want a softer sheen, and thread the needle using a clean cut end. Make sure to anchor with a waist knot or small backstitch to keep the silk secure as you make your first running or satin stitches. You now build the main satin fills and long and short shading, focusing on consistent tension so silk reflects light uniformly. Start each motif from the center and work outward to prevent puckering. Rotate your hoop rather than twisting the fabric. Once done, employ short, even stitches, and when you need subtle texture, split the silk or use 2 strands. This gives depth and reduces sheen contrast. Make sure to overlap color transitions slightly so blends read smooth. And always, you finish by tucking thread ends under adjacent stitches and weaving them for a nearly invisible join. Trim close but leave a hair's width to avoid slipping. Once your design is complete, remove any waist knot, check the back for neatness, and press gently face down through a damp cloth at low heat to set the silk without crushing the pile. If things go wrong, like puckering, loosen stitch tension, rehoop with a firmer or softer tension as needed, or add a light stabilizer to restore flatness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.